Hi there, my name is Jesus Nava, and this video is all about the Quotes app in the TradeStation web trading platform. We're going to demonstrate how to access symbol quotes and how to create lists of symbols for easy tracking and monitoring. In my previous video, we talked about how to navigate and customize web trading, so make sure to check it out if you need help setting up the platform. First, let's create a Quotes tab. If a Quotes app is not open already, click the button next to the last visible tab and select Quotes from the drop-down menu. Only one Quotes app can be open in web trading at a time. Also, keep in mind that if the panel has 5 tabs already, a new additional tab cannot be added to the panel. You may have to close an already open tab by clicking its X or open Quotes in another panel. If this is the first time you open the Quotes app, it will display one symbol row for reference. This symbol can be changed by just clicking over it and entering a new symbol. New symbols can be added by using the symbol box at the top or the symbol box below the last symbol listed. Let's enter some symbols manually and press the Enter key on the keyboard after each one. For example, Microsoft, Apple, Intel, Disney, Twitter. You get the idea. To remove any symbols, click the X on the left. To sort symbols, click any of the column headers. For example, let's sort the symbols by percent change. I click the Net Percent Change column header once, and the symbols are sorted in ascending order. Click the column header again, and they're sorted in descending order. You may use the scroll bar at the bottom of Quotes to see more data columns, or click the Maximize button at the top right to maximize the view. The columns can be modified by using the plus sign next to the last column displayed, or by clicking the Configure button at the top right corner. Select a column from the Available side, and then click the arrow button in the middle to add the column to the Applied side. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click to select multiple columns at once. Click the X to remove the column from the Applied side. Click and hold the handle and drag the column up or down to change its position in the list. Click OK once the changes are complete. With the Quotes app, you have the ability to calculate studies just like you do on a chart. For example, let's calculate the volume average and the ATR for each symbol. These two studies require historical data to calculate. First, we click the plus or the Configure button to add studies. From the available list, I select Average True Range, and to select Volume Average at the same time, I hold down the Control key and I click it. Clicking the arrow button in the middle will transfer the two studies to the Applied side. Clicking the caret button on the right allows me to make changes to the parameters of each study. I'm going to set my average true range to 10 bars and my volume average to 30 bars. Keep in mind that the time frame of these bars is displayed in the interval column. In this example, I'll add Microsoft to my list again to set them to different calculations. I click on the column header for symbol to sort alphabetically and be able to see both Microsoft symbols together. Then, I can click the drop-down under interval for each symbol to switch one to daily and the other to 30 minutes. Here you can see the difference in Microsoft's ATR and volume average for both daily and 30-minute intervals. To organize your list of symbols, you may create custom symbol lists. By default, all newly added symbols will go into a predefined list displayed in this drop-down. Here you may click Create New Quotes List and give the new list a custom name. Click OK, and a brand new list is started. Let's add some futures symbols. For example, S&P E-mini, gold, silver, crude oil, corn, wheat, etc. Once finished, you may click the drop-down at the top to switch from one list of symbols to another. A very useful feature is that all the edits and all the new lists of symbols created in web trading are accessible in the TradeStation mobile app on any of your mobile devices. This is a huge time saver. From this drop-down, you may also rename or delete a list and also arrange symbols within a list if needed. So this is the Quotes app in our web trading platform. Our next video will demonstrate how to create charts, how to customize them, and how to apply technical studies. So make sure to check this video out and continue learning in this web trading video series. Thank you for watching.